In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date filter that defaults to today and a date parameter in Tableau. This is a handy feature when working with dashboards or reports that require dynamic date selection. So let's get started. First, you want to open the Tableau public app. It's important to ensure you're using the most recent version for optimal functionality and compatibility. Once the app is open, access your worksheet to begin the process. This is where you'll carry out all the customizations needed for your date filter and parameter setup. Next, on the worksheet, locate the drop-down arrow in the data pane. Click on it and select Create Parameter. You'll now be prompted to establish a few settings. Name your parameter something intuitive for easy identification later on, and set the data type to date/time. This ensures your parameter can handle dates efficiently. Now move on to the Allowable Values section and select List. This option allows you to specify custom values you want to include in your parameter. With that selected, you'll see the option to Add Values From, and here you'll choose Data Source followed by Date. By doing this, Tableau knows to reference your data's dates. Then, you need to adjust the data type of this list. Go ahead and set it to string. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it's crucial for the next few steps. While still in the list, add a new value called Today, and make sure it's moved to the top of the list. This step is vital as it positions Today as your default selection. Once that's done, go to Current Value and select Today before clicking OK. This action ensures that whenever your dashboard loads, Today is shown by default. Now let's create a calculated field. Click on Analysis in the top menu, and then choose Create Calculated Field. Name this field appropriately and type in the necessary query. Click OK to save it. For some advanced functionality, you might want to open Create Calculated Field again, name it differently, and input your query. This allows for more complex data manipulations and customization in your view. After setting up your calculated fields, drag the Select Date Calculated field to the Rows shelf. Once in Rows, select the day, but make sure it's continuous. This setting is key for proper timeline displays. Next, drag Product to the Columns shelf and Quantity to the view. This setup will visualize your data over time. Add another layer of depth by dragging Product to Color. This step helps visually distinguish different products in your report. Finally, to make your parameter interactive, click on the parameter you've created and select Show Parameter. This will allow users to choose different dates using the parameter on your dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully created a date filter that defaults to today and a flexible date parameter in Tableau. Feel free to explore further enhancements or customizations based on your specific data needs. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.